In this short video, I'm going to take you through a really simple technique that you can use to pump out hook after hook after hook. So if you're ready to improve as an MC, then pay attention. This is how you're going to structure your hook if you're a beginner or if you're someone that struggles with it, right? What the technique that you're going to want to use, a really simple technique, it's called the shout out technique. Now a shout out is basically a phrase that you put in your chorus that you repeat over and over again that the crowd shouts back at you. So an example of a shout out phrase will be like pow from the song Pow, Leave for B. So pow, I'm Leave for the B. Pow, if you don't know about me. Pow, better ask someone quickly cause pow, yeah I'm pow, yeah I'm pow. Or the song Shut Down from Skepta, and that song and it shut down. That's not me and it shut down. Shut down would be the shout out. Or another example, the song Where and When by P Money. In that track, Where and When would be the shout out phrase that the crowd shouts back, right? And that he repeats. Or even another example, the song Shut Up by Stormzy. You can guess what the shout out in that song was. It was the phrase shut up, of course. So basically that's what a shout out is. A phrase that you're gonna put in your chorus, repeat over and over in your chorus, and that you're gonna want to engage the crowd with. You're gonna want the crowd to shout that back at you almost, right? That's why I called it a shout out technique. And the three things that you're gonna want to keep in mind when you're writing your chorus, when you're writing this shout out phrase, is to keep it engaging, energetic and simple. That's it, those three things. Again, engaging, energetic and simple. Those are the three things you have to remember when you're creating yourself a shout out phrase. Okay, now if you're struggling to come up with a shout out phrase, with the phrase that's gonna make up your chorus, a really good thing to do is to go over the 16-bar verse that you're gonna use in the track that you're writing and pick your favorite punchline or your favorite phrase from there that really stands out to you and use that as your shout out phrase, right? And once you've got your shout out phrase, once you pick that up, what you're going to want to do to create your chorus, to fully structure your chorus, is make a list of synonyms. Make a list of words that are related to that phrase or to that word that you can put in your chorus. So let's say your shout out phrase or your shout out word is ban. So your list of synonyms will be something like smash, pop, clap, crash, bomb, all that kind of stuff. So you're gonna want a minimum of 7 words that are similar to your shout out phrase and a maximum of 10. You don't want too much, but you don't want too little either. You want the perfect amount. And then you're gonna add these words into your chorus, right? You're gonna put these words around your shout out phrase, right? And that's how you're going to fully manufacture your chorus and your hook. Really simple technique, it's easy to do, and again, like I said before, keep this phrase engaging, energetic and simple. Again, engaging, energetic and simple. That's it. Try this technique, the shout out technique. It's really simple, and if you go back after this video to all your favorite tracks, right, to a lot of popular tracks as well, and a lot of popular grime tracks, you find that this is the technique that they use, and they've got a specific phrase that they're shouting out or a specific group of words that they're shouting out, and then they've built words around that, right, to create a chorus, right? This is how they structure the choruses. So try this and see, and it's really simple, really easy to implement, and you can start writing choruses real quick, right? Just as long as you practice this and apply it, right? Really simple technique. Go off, try it, see what it does for you. And that's it for this video. Thanks for everyone that's watching. Thanks for everyone that's subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.